Hello everybody, welcome to the 2023 Trigo Italia longevity box called the Centenarian. Please meet Laura Secchi from Vitanova Cucine Dolci.
Hi John.
Hello.
Hi everybody.
Simplicity is important, and the ingredients, of course, are an important factor to a healthy and a long life. We have these wonderful small red lentils, and in southern Italy they make a lot of pasta e fagioli. In Sardinia we make a sort of pasta e fagioli too, and this is Laura's recipe. It's a combination of lentils and either a pasta, which is in the longevity box, malo redus or gnocchetti sardi, or you can use fregola, which would be the more traditional way to do it. So Laura, please, can you tell us how you make lentils with fregola or malo redus?
So first of all, we have to put in a pan a large amount of olive oil and onion, carrot and celery, and 2 pieces of dry tomato, finely chopped. Let it cook slow for 2-3 minutes. Then add lentils. Okay. Cook all the ingredients together and cover with hot water. You can add also some chili pepper, that is very good, and add also the spice, Sardinian spice. Let it cook for 30 minutes, okay? Then in boiling water, fregola or malo redus is the same, there's no problem. Drain it and add to the soup. Let it finish cooking for 2-3 minutes and then finish the soup with the olive oil. That's all. It's very simple, but I hope you enjoy it.
Simplicity is good. Simplicity, if you speak to Sardinian centenarians, that is a major factor in their life. Whether it's their very simple routines of how they, what they do every day, the people whom they speak to every day, which are often the same people, and the very simple recipes that they enjoy every day with friends and family. So keep it stupid and simple and live longer.